Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of ordering AJAG hours and then how to convert from AJAG hours into actual courses that you choose for yourself. I'm going to do this in two separate videos. So this first video is going to focus on the process of ordering AJAG hours as well as some of the benefits. So here I am on our homepage. You can see I am already logged in. I'm going to go ahead and go to our general course page. And within here, you can see there is nice direct access to AJAG hours. So I'm going to go ahead and click on View Details. So this gives you a little bit more information about AJAG hours. We created AJAG hours for a number of benefits. Number one, it allows you to take advantage of time-sensitive promotions. So for example, the promotion we have going on right now in June, where you get 10% off all of your purchases. So if you would want to take advantage of that at this time, but you're not 100% sure which courses you want to take for the year, well, AJAG hours helps you with that. A second benefit is if you want to take advantage of our buy more, save more. So as you can see over here, when you buy in bulk, so anything above 20 hours starts to get you a discount in the price per hour. So if you want to buy all of your hours together, but again, you only know of a handful of courses at the moment that you want to take, the rest maybe you want to decide later on in the year, AJAG hours allows you to do that. So let's go ahead and purchase some AJAG hours. In here, you are going to input the number of hours you want to buy. I'm going to put in 21 on purpose. Firstly, I know that I need at minimum 20 hours for the year. And second of all, I want to take advantage of AJAG discounts. So I'm going to put myself into the value PD area. I'm only buying for myself. I'm not buying for my firm. And I know that if I buy 21 or more, I get a discount on the per hour price. So I've hit 21 hours. I'm going to now go ahead and hit add to cart. And as you can see, that populates. Now, a couple things. Oh, as you can see, this was from my past order. So let's just go ahead and update that to 21. So it initially shows you the $59.99 per hour price. However, when it goes down to calculating your total, the system automatically calculates your discount. So this makes my total purchase of 21 hours $44.99 per hour. Whereas if I would have bought 12 hours or 14 hours, it would have remained at $59.99. So I would go ahead and hit checkout and then choose to either pay by credit card or mail in a check. And then once that is complete, the hours are going to show up in your 2022 dashboard. So this completes our first video. Our next video is going to demonstrate how to move from AJAG hours into actual courses that you want to assign for yourself.